how to fix Uber app payment error. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are seeing a payment error on the Uber app, it can be frustrating, but don't worry. I have got some quick fixes to help you get back on the road. So let's get started. First, make sure your payment method is up to date. Go to the Uber app, tap on your profile, then payment, and check your card or PayPal details. Expired or incorrect information could be causing the issue. Next, try a different payment method. If updating didn't work, try adding a new payment method. Sometimes using a different card or switching to PayPal can solve the problem instantly. Next, check for app updates. An outdated app can cause payment issues, so make sure Uber is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Uber and check for any available updates. Next, clear cache. For Android users, clearing the app's cache can help. Go to Settings, tap on Application, then go to Uber and tap Clear Cache. This clears temporary files that may be causing the error. For iPhone users, simply try restarting the app. Next, contact your bank. If you are having trouble, your bank may have blocked the transaction. Contact them to ensure there are no issues with your bank, especially if you are traveling. And that's it. Hopefully one of these tips helps you fix the payment error on Uber. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.